Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about how to use easily to create your own infographic. Since you will use it to do your assignment this semester, so let's start it. Step 1. Create your own account. First, open the official website of Easelly. Now you can see a green box which shows Create your free account. You have to click it. Then your screen will transit to a new web page which allows you to sign up. On this web page, you have to type in your email address, set up a password, and type in the password again for confirmation. Finally, click the button Sign Up. Then you're registered. And next time when you log in your account, you can just open the official website of Easelly and type in your email address and password. Step 2. Select template. After click Sign Up, your screen will transit to this web page. Now, you can choose the template according to your preference to create your own infographic. Scrolling down the web page, you can see empty template and many templates in different styles. You can create your own infographic in two different ways. The first way, if you want to create an infographic totally according to your own preference, you can click Empty Template. The second way, if you have a favorite template, you can click that template and edit based on it. As you can see, there is more than 6 million templates that you can use. You can select the template through clicking the button Choose Category or typing in the keyword to search the template you want. Step 3. Edit. After choosing the template, you can start to edit your infographic. You can double-click the text to edit, or you can use the functions that Easelly has provided to edit your infographic. The first function is Template. Here, you can reselect the template and drag it to the location of your template. Second one is Objects. You can add images according to different categories. Just choose your favorite image and drag it into your template. You can adjust the opacity of the image through clicking the button Opacity. And you can add a website in your template through choosing an image, clicking Hyperlink, and typing in the URL related to the website. Also, you can click Remove to delete the hyperlink, or click Change to revise the URL. In addition, you can click Delete to get rid of the image you don't need. You can add the same image by choosing the image and clicking Copy. And also, you can resize the image by dragging the frame. The next one is Media. After clicking Media, you will see Upload Photos on the right of the website. You can select the photo by searching the keywords or choosing the category, and then pull it into your template. And also you can see YouTube on the right. You can type in the URL of the YouTube video and click Select. And fourth one is Backgrounds. Here, you can select your favorite color of the template. And Line. You can link the relevant content that needs to be connected. You can adjust the link by dragging it, and you can change the color by choosing the link and clicking this color button. The sixth one is Text. Clicking on your favorite text style and dragging it into your template. Then you can double-click the text to edit. And next one is charts. Here, clicking on your favorite chart and dragging it into your template. Then you can double-click the chart to edit. Or you can import data from your computer. If you have a lot of data, you can click Add Column or Add Row to edit. Next one, Upload. Here you can upload the things that you need and dragging it into your template. And next one is Pictogram. Here you can choose your favorite icon to edit. And now you can see undo and redo. When you make mistake, you can click undo. If you accidentally clicking undo, then you can click redo. And if you need a grid to help you adjust your infographic, you can click Grid. Step 4. Export your infographic. You can change the name of your infographic by clicking the box top of the web page. When you finish, clicking Save on the top right corner to save your infographic. Clicking Download on the top left corner, you can save your infographic into your computer in the way you like. If you want to share your infographic, you can click Share and choose a way to share out. When you finish your assignment, I want you to share the link with me. And also, you can click Resize to adjust the size of your infographic. After completing all the steps above, you can click File and choose Leave. Now you can see your screen has transited to your account page, and you can see your infographic is on My Visuals. So, hope you will enjoy this website. Thank you.